3, 2, 1, fire! Shenzhou 8 aircraft was successfully launched on the 1st of November 2011. At this moment, China Aerospace grabbed world's attention. What lifts off with Shenzhou 8 is not only the glory of nation, but also the pride of each Shengquaner. For this moment, as the CNSA designated cooperating company, Shengquan conducted thousands of experiments and successfully developed phenolic resin hollow microsphere that contributes to the launch of Shenzhou 8. Selling well in China and across the world, then fulfilled the dream in aerospace. Shengquan phenolic resin products walked a legendary course. In 1992, Shengquan started the R&D and production of phenolic resin. In 1997, cooperated with UK Hepworth, introducing state-of-the-art production technology, which began a new journey. In 2013, the 200,000-ton phenolic resin plant was built, which is the world's largest capacity from a single unit. Till now, Shengquan's production capacity of phenolic resin reaches 400,000 tons per year, which ranks the first in Asia and the third globally. Products of Shengquan have been exported to over 50 countries and regions, which became a remarkable supplier in high-end phenolic resin globally. Innovation is the soul of Shengquan's development. Shengquan is devoted to becoming the leader in high-end phenolic resin field, and have already researched and developed over 1,000 special products, which provide innovative solutions to over 10,000 customers in dozens of fields. Cooperated with Chinese Academy of Sciences and developed phenolic hollow microsphere featured with low density and high strength that can endure over thousands degrees temperature, which coated the re-entry module with domestic cloth, breaking the ice that key materials were controlled by foreign countries and to support the China aerospace cause. In high-end electronic material field, Shengquan breaks the monopoly of foreign countries by special phenolic resins and epoxy resins, which stimulate the domestic production speed of flat panel display, integrated circuit, and PCB electronic materials. Shengquan is now performing a leading role in PCB industry and a manufacturer with global influence. In the field of fine electronic chemicals, Shengquan spent decades in R&D and painstakingly realized mass production of electronic-grade phenolic resin for photoresist, with metal ion content below 100 part per billion, and reached the most demanding quality requirement that stably controlled the metal ion content below 50 part per billion, which truly helps the rise of China chips, fulfilling the promise that China electronic materials made by Shengquan. With innovation, Shengquan strengthened its industry chain and promote its value chain. Shengquan researches and develops renewable, green, and high-performance phenolic resin, which realize the green system from raw material, manufacturing, to products and application. The quality of products get high praises from all over the world. Composite material is an important direction of Shengquan development. Shengquan board featured with lightweight, high-strength, flame retardant that was independently developed by Shengquan, which used modified phenolic resin and composite reinforced fiber material. This product filled the empty in China and widely applied in high-speed train, bullet train, subway, new energy vehicle, and other fields. Fusing high-speed train employs Shengquan board, reducing the weight amount to 15 adults for each carriage, and successfully realizing the weight lose and speed up for China's high-speed train. Based on that, Shengquan independently developed phenolic pre-preg materials and phenolic SMC. Pre-preg materials can replace imported ones, and phenolic SMC also makes breakthrough. Both ranks world and level, which have bright application in railways, new energy vehicle, shipbuilding, civil planes, and other fields. In green construction material field, Shengquan successfully developed modified phenolic outer wall insulation board with low heat conductivity and high strength, which totally eliminates the risk of flammability of traditional flame retardant insulation materials and provides new guarantee for high efficiency, energy-saving standard of new material, achieving a new reform in China's construction energy-saving material history. From Phenolic flame retardant insulation board to a glass composite insulation board, then step to assembling construction composite material connectors, Shengquan continuously provides new choice of safe, energy-saving material in construction field. Innovation is the primary driving force. Shengquan Group has 1 national enterprise technical center, 6 high-tech companies, 3 national certified laboratories, 1 postdoctoral research station, and 1 academician workstation. It is rated as a National Technology Innovation Demonstration Enterprise, National Intellectual Property Demonstration Enterprise, and one of the first batch national green factories. Shengquan's innovative eyes always focuses on the international forefront. It has established cooperative relations with over 10 universities and institutes, home and abroad, such as the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, Tsinghao University, Chinese Academy of Sciences, Shandong University, and other more 10 universities domestic and abroad. Each year, Shengquan invests over 200 million yuan in R&D and has organized an elite R&D team with over 400 people and employs more than 60 renowned experts and professors from home and abroad as senior technical consultants. Shengquan leads the industry by innovation, who has hosted and made 37 national and industrial standards for phenolic resin, becoming the one and only unit to formulate the phenolic resin industrial standards on refractory material in China. Shengquan invested over 20 million yuan in high-end test equipment, which keeps pace with international test standards and led the overall upgrade of the whole industry. Shengquan files more than 230 PCT and SIPO patents, in which over 140 patents were granted. After more than 20 years progressive forging, phenolic resin industry of Shengquan Group has realized the metamorphosis from a follower to a leader and formed a new development pattern with technology, brand, and green as the core. In the future, Shengquan Group will continue its mission through serving the nation by industrialization, raising the sale of innovation, and to speed up the applicational R&D process in aerospace, military industry, shale gas, high-end electronic chemicals, high-performance tire rubber, new energy vehicles, and other fields. And the kickoff for the development of phenolic resins, striving to become a world-class supplier of high-end phenolic resin and the leader in new composite materials field in China.